Welcome to Streamlit for Snowflake, a complete hands-on masterclass on using Streamlit for all kinds of data-driven and Snowflake-oriented applications. My name is Christian Scutaru, and I've been the only world-class expert in Snowflake from Canada to be included in their select group of data superheroes in January 2022. I passed four Snowpro certification exams to date, and I also helped Snowflake create many exam questions as a Snowpro subject matter expert. So you are in good hands. You learn about using Streamlit as a local web app or deployed for free in the Streamlit cloud to build all sorts of data-driven applications. When connected to Snowflake, we'll build real-life client applications with commercial value that transform semi-structured data and extend the capabilities of Snowflake as a data warehouse. We'll have deep dives into the new and revolutionary Snowpark for Python, Streamlit in Snowflake applications, and the Snowflake native app framework. We'll also build data science applications with machine learning or ChatGPT, data analytics applications with charts, graphs, and other exciting visualizations. My main objectives are to teach you everything you need to know about Streamlit. First half of the course is actually a bootcamp on Streamlit alone. To use Streamlit for real-life data-driven and data science applications with commercial value. To help you build client Streamlit applications connected to Snowflake with a Python connector or Snowpark. To show you how to deploy and execute whole Streamlit applications into Snowflake with the Streamlit apps or the native apps frameworks. I designed this course for data engineers, machine learning engineers, and software developers willing to learn Streamlit as a rapid application development tool, with or without Snowflake. For hands-on data architects and data scientists willing to use Streamlit for prototyping and proof-of-concept apps. For any other technical person willing to know more about Streamlit apps and native apps in Snowflake, about Snowpark and its data frame API. That's an extensive hands-on course with many hours of videos and useful experiments. The whole code is open source and available, and any application we build will be 100% functional. The course will be yours for life. It comes with a 1-month money-back guarantee, and I will personally answer your question in 1 day max. Enroll today to explore further. You'll not regret it.